Hello friends, today I am going to show you a traditional Kerala breakfast made from tapioca, also known as Kappa Puzhuku or Kappa Vevichathu in Malayalam. It is a traditional Kerala dish made with mashed tapioca and a simple seasoning of spices and coconut. Here's a simple recipe to make this comforting dish. Peel off the skin from the tapioca with a knife. Then wash it nicely under cold water. Then chop it into small chunks. Take a large pot, add the tapioca pieces and some salt. Pour enough water to cover the tapioca, then boil it until it becomes tender. Drain any excess water and set the cooked tapioca aside. In a blender, combine the grated coconut, green chilies, garlic and cumin seed along with some turmeric powder. Grind this mixture coarsely, adding a bit of water if needed. Add the ground coconut paste in the pot with the cooked tapioca. Mash the tapioca with a potato masher or a wooden muddler until it's semi-smooth with small chunky pieces. The last step is tempering. In a small pan, heat the coconut oil. Add the mustard seeds and allow them to splutter. Add dried red chilies, curry leaves and finely chopped onions. Fry until the onions are golden brown. Pour this tempering over the mashed tapioca mixture. Mix it well. Our Kappa Puzhuku is ready. Serve it warm, typically with a spicy fish curry or a simple chili chutney for an authentic Kerala meal experience. Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked the recipe, please hit on the like button and share it with your friends and families.